Yeah, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got a shopping haul for you. This is mostly food shopping haul. Today I've been to Lidl's, I've been to Aldi and I've been to Home Bargains. So I'll turn the camera around and show you what I've got in each shop. So this is Lidl's. So I've got some salad tomatoes here. I've also got a pack of radish. I've just burst the top, which is a bit annoying, but it doesn't matter anyway. Yes, I've got some radish. Here I've got 2 courgettes. Here I've got an aubergine, and I've got a cucumber here. I've got 4 apples, a great big white cabbage, a fresh pineapple, some mushrooms, 2 packs of the Jersey Royal potatoes, a big bag of the Maris Piper potatoes, some garlic. Here I've got a bag of mixed peppers. Then over here I've got some romaine lettuce, and here is just a pack of shallots. I've got some Greek yoghurt, the fat-free Greek yoghurt there, that's our favourite. A pack of frozen peas. Now on to store cupboard. Picked up 6 of the diet lemonade and some crinkle cut pickled beetroot, 4 cans of baked beans, garlic granules and some chili flakes, and some of the seeded bloomer bread, which actually we've just taken 4 slices out so Chris could make us a sandwich for lunch. And if you're familiar with going shopping in Lidl's, they are, well, I don't know about all the other stores, but definitely our store, they have a different freebie every week. So if you spend over £20, you get a free gift, and this week it was these. It was a box of Belgian chocolate seashells, probably because Easter's coming, that's probably why we've got those, and we had 2 of those because we went through with the shopping and then Chris went through with a piece of furniture separately, so we both ended up picking up having 1 of these each. And also in Lidl's I picked up these. I need to do a little bit more sort of planting out. These were, I think, £3.99 per tray, and these are like the little daisies here, so just sort of starting to come out there. So I'm going to pop those up tomorrow, and also some freesias here. A little bit, no, they're still quite damp actually, I should be alright. So yeah, I'm going to pop these out tomorrow. So it was something else I picked up in Lidl's. So that is my Lidl haul, and I'll show you how much I spent in a moment. Right, and now on to Aldi. So we picked up this is half a side of salmon, and picked up some of this, the Brussels caramelised shallot pate. Haven't tried that one before, but thought it looked interesting. 2 packs of the bacon medallions. I haven't tried these before either. These are very new to me. Marzala roast cauliflower sausages. So I thought we'd give those a little try. Some hummus and just 1 pack of salted butter. We have some spring onions, and got some parsnips and some carrots. So store cupboard we picked up the Mexican style rice and whole grain rice, some spaghetti I'm going to do that with meatballs, 12 free range eggs, and thought we'd try this. This is white chocolate and raspberry flavoured coffee, so yeah, I'm intrigued. Some corned beef, some custard, a carton of custard there, some red kidney beans and some chickpeas, sticky toffee pudding, that's why we've got the custard. Then over here I've got hot cross buns, pack of 6 hot cross buns. I can't remember if I said chilies, but if I didn't, here they are. Picked up these, These are the silicone stretch lids, so like, you know, you've got leftover food in a bowl or something, you can just pop one of these little lids on, pop it in the fridge. Some of the duck discs for the toilet. I picked up these for the dogs for a treat. They're called hot dogs. I'm interested to see what the dogs think of these. Elsie, do you want a treat? Oscar, do you want your treat? And you, Ted, do you want a treat? Oscar, you can be first because you're the oldest. Good boy. No, Teddy, wait. Teddy, no. Oscar, take. Good boy. Elsie, you're the next because you're the next one in line. And then Ted, where you go? Oh, snatch. Well, I think they're going down really well. I think actually it was a little bit too much on it for the little ones. Yeah. So that was everything from Aldi, and I will show you what I got from Home Bargains. Right, so on to Home Bargains then. I've picked up a new dustpan brush, picked up some of the puppy little jelly pouches. I needed some more shampoo. I've actually run out of my shampoo, so I haven't tried this one before, but I thought it looked very interesting with the oil that it's meant to have in it. So yeah, I'm going to give that one a go. Also found this for the dogs. I thought they'd, in fact I know they like these because they've had similar to this before, but it's the fish and crisps. And you can see it's got like all the little fish in there for them. I picked up some HP brown sauce, a great big thing of ketchup, this big of this 990 grams of ketchup, and picked up these were on offer, the Lenore Unstoppables, and I picked them up in the fragrance is Lavish. Some new pegs, so I'm running out of pegs, so I picked up those, and finally picked up these. So we've got some, needed some more containers for like cereals, so I picked up these. This is a 3-pack of the storage containers. So that is everything that I picked up from Home Bargains. Right, this is the Lidl's magazine, the free magazine that you get in there. So I thought I'd just quickly go through this with you. So they've got lamb on offer at the moment, flag cheese, bake there, some veggies. Chicken, $3.15, and then they've got like lots of the Easter meats here. A whole side of salmon here, look, just there, whole side of salmon there. Hot cross buns and some desserts there. Look at these Easter eggs, they look amazing, don't they? Look at this one, $12.99. That is just beautiful to look at. Just so pretty. And all of these for like the kids, like little lambs and chickens and everything. Gardening stuff, solar lights. Gazebo there, picnic stuff. Big garden furniture, that's good, isn't it? Look at that, $7.99. It's a hanging balcony table, so if you've got a flat and you've got a balcony, you can just pop that over and you've got like a little table, and that stabilises it there. That is really good. More picnic bits and pieces. Folding barbecue, that's good to take away, like if you're on days out picnics. Some DIY stuff, more DIY stuff, and more DIY stuff. Got some clothes here. The cute little cosy footsie things. Oh, things for like baby event here, maternity stuff, maternity jeans and tops, travel cots, etc. That's a good price, look at that. That's reduced from 140, well, recommended retail price 145 down to, you can see it, $69.99. It's good, as well. You've got your baby monitor there. And this is their pick of the week, so all the veggies. So you've got your carrots, 29, parsnips 29, shallots, little mini roasts, and you've got your deals here on your meat for Easter. And then on the back, just some more of the offers that they've got on. And that's the end of my shopping haul, my lovelies. See you all in the next one. Bye.